Have you ever wondered, is Betterment even a real bank? Let's face it, the world of investing can feel intimidating. There's a whole new language to learn, a million different platforms to choose from, and frankly, some of these institutions look like they haven't updated their decor since the stock market crash of '29. But what if you're looking for a way to invest your money without the stuffy suits and confusing jargon? That's where robo-advisors like Betterment come in. They promise a streamlined, automated approach to investing, but here's a question that might snag you. Does Betterment even have an account number? It's a fair question. After all, traditional banks throw account numbers at you like confetti at a parade. So, buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of Betterment accounts, what kind of numbers you might find, and why it might be different from your grandpa's bank. First things first, let's clear the air. Betterment isn't technically a bank. It's a robo-advisor, which means they use algorithms and automation to invest your money based on your goals and risk tolerance. They partner with custodial institutions to actually hold your securities, but you won't get the same bells and whistles as a traditional bank account. Now, here's where things get interesting. Betterment does have account numbers, but it depends on what kind of account you have. For your standard investing accounts, you'll find an account number displayed within the platform itself. This unique identifier helps Betterment track your investments and manage your portfolio. However, if you're looking for a classic account number and routing number combo like you have with your checking account, you might be disappointed. Betterment's cash reserve, their high-yield cash account option, doesn't operate quite like a savings account. You can't directly deposit your paycheck or set up automatic bill payments. So, instead of an account number and routing number, Betterment uses electronic transfers to move money in and out of your cash reserve. This might feel less familiar, but it keeps things streamlined and secure within their platform. Here's the key takeaway. While Betterment uses account numbers for their investment accounts, they don't function exactly like a traditional bank. For their cash reserve, electronic transfers are the way to go. But wait, there's more. Just because Betterment doesn't function exactly like a bank doesn't mean it can't be a powerful tool for your financial future. In future videos, we'll be diving deeper into the pros and cons of robo-advisors, exploring how Betterment stacks up against the competition, and showing you exactly how to get started with your own automated investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.